morning. This is our 6-step phonics lesson for Tuesday, October 13th. Our learning goal this week is to review the short A sound, A, and the letters C-K, K. Let's get started. So our first job is to tap the sounds we hear in words. So everybody have your elbows up. Our first word is am. What's your word? Am. Am. Our next word is cat. What's your word? Cat. K-a-t, cat. Our next word is sat. What's your word? Sat. S-a-t, sat. Our next word is bad. What's your word? Bad. B-a-d, bad. Our next word is hat. H-a-t, hat. Our next word, can. What's your word? Can. K-a-n, can. Good job. So that brings us to step 2, which is to say our letter sounds. So I'm going to say the letter name and sound and have you repeat after me. C-K says K. U says Q-U says qu. E says eh. Y says y. K says k. V says v. W says w. O says ah. L says ul. I says I. G says g. F says f. N says n. D says d. C says k. A says ah. M says B says b. T says t. Very good job. That brings us to step 3, which is to blend words, sounds we hear in words. So when I tap underneath the letter, we're going to say the letter sound. When I swoop under the word, we'll say the word. Here we go. Quick, quick. Z, zip. J, jam. Vet, vet. B, back. Pack. Rack. Tack. Quack. Sack. Pass. Pack. Add. At. Okay, good job. That brings us to step 4, think time, read time. When I point like this, it's your chance to think and sound the word out on your own. When I swoop under the word, it's your turn to read. Here we go. Think time. Read. Quick. Think. Read. Zip. Think. Read jam. Think. Read vet. Think. Read back. Think. Read pack. Think. Read rack. Think. Read tack. Think. Read quack. Think. Read sack. Think. Read pass. Think. Read pack. Think. Read add. Think. Read at. Very good job. So now we're ready for step 5, which is to read our sentences. I'd like you to pause your video and read them on your own first. And as we're coming back from being paused, our sentences are, Anne will pack a bag. So with fluency, we would say, Anne will pack a bag. Please read it again with me. Anne will pack a bag. And our next sentence, Anne can hug Nan. So with fluency, we would say, Anne can hug Nan. Read it with me again. Anne can hug Nan. Very good job. That brings us to step 6, which is our writing piece. Please put the date on your paper. Today is October 13th of 2020. Pause your video if you need more time to write your date. The next thing on our paper is going to be the letter that makes the sound ah. Pause your video and write the letter that makes the sound ah. Okay? Our next letters make the sound k. Pause your video and write the letters that make the sound k. Okay, your first word today is the word yak. Please pause your video and write the word yak. Okay, your next word is the word quick. Please pause your video and write the word quick. Quick. Okay, your next word today is the word back. Please pause your video and write the word back. Back. Okay, your next word is the word rack. Please pause your video and write the word rack. Rack. Your last word today is the word sack. Please pause your video and write the word sack. Sack. Okay, and we're ready for our sentence. We're going to say it, repeat it, count it, then write it. Our sentence today is, Yak has to pack. Say it with me. Yak has to pack. And we'll count it. Yak has to pack. 4 words. Please pause your video and write your sentence. And as we're coming back from being paused, that means that you have try to write your sentence on your own first, and we will write it together. Oh, sorry, I'm using a new video today and I thought I had messed it up. Okay, yak gets a capital Y. It's the beginning of our sentence. Has, make sure you're leaving word spaces. To pack. Okay, so if your only capital letter in your sentence today is the Y, give yourself a check mark. If you spelled all 4 words correctly, give yourself a check mark. If you remembered to leave word spaces, give yourself a check mark. And if you remembered to punctuate your sentence using a period at the end, give yourself a check mark. Good job today.